Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be stir-fried mushroom and chicken. Mushroom and chicken are always a great combination. Simple to cook and delicious to taste. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. And let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Finely chop the garlics and the shallots. Julian cut the gingers or cut the gingers into cube slices. Slice the mushrooms. Cut the chicken into small pieces. Marinate the chickens for 15 minutes. And the cooking begins. Add in half cup of oil in a wok or a pan. Add in the ginger and stir fry till slightly golden brown. Garlic goes in and fry till golden brown. Add in the mushrooms and do not discard the water. Add in the broccoli. If you are using other parts of the chicken, add in the chickens first. Add in the chicken breast. Add in some of the mushroom water and around half cup of chicken stock. Cover with a lid for around 2 minutes. Add in the condiments and mix well. And it's done. That's it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!